What's up, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you an old tool I found. Old skill powered ratchet driver, 1/4 inch, and didn't charge. Battery was dead, so I decided let's take it apart. I had to look at a video on how to do that. First, take out the screws. There's torque screws, of course, and then you have to take this collar off. In order to do that, you gotta take the front end off, and that was a bear. I had to use vice grips to get it off. It was really tight on there. So it's got the planetary gears, which is kind of neat. Collar, the motor, but the batteries were toast. So, and they use the upside down. I think it's 16, 18 650s, two of them put together. Yeah, I can desolder it, put it back together, put it in the charger. But I've also read that this old skill, if you set it in the charger for too long, it either kills the battery completely, or you can't really charge with it or use it anymore. So I think that's what happened to mine, because I kept it in the charger a lot and it would work or it didn't work. It still works as a ratchet, but what's the point when I got ratchets? And also the other point is, I got that. And guess what, boys and girls? The battery comes out. There's no point in getting or repairing this at all. So the moral of this story is fix it or junk it. Well, I can salvage the parts out of it. The switch is cool, the motor is neat. Can't do much of anything else with it, so it's going in the trash. I got this. It's 1/2 inch drive. No, scratch that. 3/8 inch drive. I'm sorry. And it's that M12 power pack, so I can get batteries all day long. So no point. So rest in peace, skill. You were once a good tool at one time.